In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a new category in Gmail. Managing your emails efficiently can make a huge difference in your productivity, and customizing your inbox with personalized categories is one of the best ways to stay organized. So let's dive right in and see how you can tidy up your Gmail inbox in just a few steps. Start by opening your Gmail account in a web browser. Once you're logged in, look toward the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice sections like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. Scroll down to the bottom of this list and click on More. Doing this will expand the sidebar and show you even more options that are often hidden by default. Taking a moment to explore these extra settings can really help you keep your inbox clutter-free. After expanding the menu, look for the option that says Create New Label. This is where you can start creating your own custom category. In Gmail, labels are essentially folders that help you group related emails together for easy access later. It's a powerful tool for keeping everything from work messages to personal correspondence organized in a way that makes sense to you. Once you click on Create New Label, a small pop-up window will appear. Here, you'll be asked to name your new label. Think carefully about what type of emails you want this label to hold. For example, you might create labels like work, family, projects, or even receipts depending on your needs. Choosing clear, descriptive names will make it easier to identify these categories at a glance in the future. After you've named your label, click Create Your New Category will instantly appear in the left sidebar along with your other folders. From now on, you can easily move or assign emails to this label to keep them neatly sorted. This is a great way to streamline your email workflow, allowing you to prioritize and locate messages quickly without sifting through an overcrowded inbox. You can repeat these steps as many times as you like to create additional categories for different types of communication. The key to maintaining an efficient inbox isn't just setting up labels, it's using them consistently for new emails as they arrive. Over time, this habit will completely transform how you handle your day-to-day email management. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a new category in Gmail. By taking a few moments to set up and use labels, you're giving yourself a smarter, more organized, and stress-free email experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick and helpful Gmail tutorials. Until next time, happy emailing.